Diolch yn fawr. Thank you, President. I'd like to congratulate the rapporteur and express our support for this report. Quality education creates active and engaged citizens and increases the employability and mobility of young people, as well as contributing to building the economy as a whole. The modernisation of education systems across Europe is a pressing need and one that must address deep structural challenges. It is the responsibility of member states and devolved governments, such as we have in Wales, where full powers over education are devolved. It is up to them to implement reforms, but the EU can assist their efforts. This report presents excellent recommendations on how to do that. One point that I especially welcome, and one that's been mentioned by several colleagues, is the importance given to the teacher as a guarantor of quality teaching. Earlier this year, I went with some others here on a study visit to Finland. Teachers there are highly trained and highly respected. To become a teacher, candidates must have passed at least a master's degree, and many students try to be accepted on training courses for teachers and fail. It was clear that the status of teachers within society also changed the view of the value of education itself. So I'm very glad that this report calls for measures to raise the status of the teacher. With the creation of the European education area underway, this is a crucial period where cooperation across the EU must be a priority. And I hope that Wales, the country that I represent, will play its full part in these developments, and I will work towards that aim. Thank you.